It's Obie Yodi coming to you from Yodiville. This is what happens when a snowboarder gets caught in an avalanche with an airbag.
Buddy.
Here comes a champion frisbee catcher.
Jaden has $1 bill, 1 quarter, and 2 pennies. How much money does he have? Jaden broke.
This guy's not going to let a little rain stop him at his favorite restaurant. Now here's what Norway looks like above the Arctic Circle during summer. And we'll call it a wrap. See you next time in Yodiville. Bye.